In the fight against coronavirus, we've all got a role to play to protect our friends and family by keeping the germs at bay. The best thing you can do is wash your hands really well, with soap and warm water or the drop of hand gel. From palm to palm and the back of your hands, you'll get rave reviews and plenty of fans. Then clean your thumb and around each and every finger to make sure there are no bugs there left to linger. By doing this for 20 seconds more often, you'll soon become a top hand washing boffin. Bubble up some soap with your palms together. Then wash the back of both of your hands. Get the soap between all of your fingers and the back of your fingers too. Not forgetting to wash your thumbs. Now just your fingertips. Wash the soap off with water and you're done. Singing Happy Birthday or another favourite song while washing your hands is a great way to help you along. So remember, wash your hands with soap and water more often for 20 seconds.